Hello friends, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to use split screen on Samsung M47. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app, back and click on this icon. If you want to use split screen, so click on this icon and you will see open second app from here. You will see use split screen from here. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.